In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Trends data to Looker Studio. First, open Google Trends in your browser. On the home page, look toward the top for the section labeled Trending Now. This view highlights topics gaining momentum right now, which makes it perfect for quick dashboards or daily summaries. Click into it to see the live list. Next, refine what you're seeing so the export matches your needs. Use the available filters to choose the location and adjust other options like time window or category if they appear in your view. Take a moment to confirm you're seeing the time frame and region you care about. That way, the file you export will be ready to use without extra cleanup. When your filters are set, look for the export option on the page. Click Export, then select the CSV format. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet-style file that works well with Looker Studio's native uploader. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. If your browser asks where to save, pick a clear name so you'll recognize it in a moment. Now switch over to Looker Studio, open the report where you want this data to appear. If you land in view mode, move into edit mode by clicking edit at the top so you can make changes. In the editing toolbar, choose add data. This opens the data connectors panel where you can bring in different sources. From the connectors list, choose CSV file upload. Click the button to add a file, then browse to the CSV you just downloaded from Google Trends. Select it and click open. Looker Studio will scan the file and show you a preview. Give the data source a clear name so you and your teammates can identify it later, for example, something that includes the region and date. Click Continue to confirm the fields Looker Studio detected. If everything looks right, click Add to attach this CSV as a data source for your report. You're all set. Your Google Trends data is now available in the report, ready to power charts, scorecards, and tables. Because a CSV upload is a snapshot, remember that it won't update automatically. When you want fresher data, repeat the export from Google Trends and upload the new file or replace the existing one in your data sources. That's the full process from finding timely topics in Google Trends to visualizing them in Looker Studio quickly and cleanly.